Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. The Samsung Jet 90 is a 2-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner with a ton of power and convenience features. Is it worth the buy? Let's go ahead and find out now. At Modern Castle, we test each vacuum on 3 different floor types and against 4 different debris types. Scores are given as the percentage of debris removed by weight. On our test, the Jet 90 did a great job with an overall debris removal score of 97.7%. On hardwood floors, it cleaned 100% of all debris once we switched to max mode to eliminate clogs on cereal. We used the soft roller cleaning head, which is designed for hard floors. Initially, we tested on regular power and experienced some clogging on the largest debris type, cereal. However, we tested again on max power and the Jet 90 was able to remove debris without clogging. On low carpet, we used the multi-surface cleaning head. The Jet 90 had some struggles on the smallest debris type, sugar. Additionally, after suction power was turned off, some of the cereal fell back down the tube and onto the floor. Despite these issues, the low carpet score was still a 96.5% for all debris types. On high power carpet, we again used the multi-surface cleaning head. It had some struggles with finer debris, which is a result we have seen from other stick vacuums. Nevertheless, the debris removal score came in at a 96.5%, the same as the low power carpet test. Interested in buying the Samsung Jet 90? We've got a link in the description. We tested the runtime of the Samsung Jet 90 and found a range of runtimes depending on power mode. The manufacturer claims the battery can last up to 60 minutes. However, in our runtime test, it lasted 43.5 minutes on minimum power, 24 minutes on medium power, and 10 minutes on maximum power. The 60-minute runtime estimate by Samsung is likely based on minimum power with a non-powered attachment. We also performed a noise level test on the various power modes. Here's what the Jet 90 sounds like. Overall, the Samsung Jet 90 has a similar shape and design comparable to other high-end cordless stick vacuums. The build quality is great and it has a solid look and feel. The power controls for the Jet 90 are buttons, which is different from the trigger-style cordless vacs. This means users don't have to hold the trigger the whole time. The Jet 90 has a telescoping wand with 4 preset lengths. It can be adjusted for different heights and also easier storage. The Jet 90 also includes a convenient charging stand. The stand looks great and fits in well with the design aesthetic of the vacuum. It's slim and can easily fit against a wall or corner to keep it out of the way. As for size and weight, the Jet 90 measures 44.7 inches long and the handle is 8.5 inches tall. The cleaning head is 9.8 inches wide. It weighs 6.2 pounds. The dustbin capacity is 0.8 liters. The telescoping wand can be retracted for storage or extended for cleaning different heights. It ranges from 36 inches to 44 inches in length. The Samsung Jet 90 has a helpful set of parts and accessories. It comes with a storage charging stand, 2 cleaning heads, and a number of attachment tools. The stand can hold the vacuum upright, charge vacuum, and store 2 tools. It also has a spot to charge an additional battery, which can be purchased separately. The cleaning heads included are the multi-surface brush roll, called the Turbo Action Brush, and the soft roller brush roll, called the Soft Action Brush. The Turbo Action Head is designed for carpets and rugs, and the Soft Action Head is made to clean hard floors. It's easy to switch between the 2 cleaning heads. Attachment tools included are mini motorized tool, crevice tool, combination brush, and pivot connector. The crevice tool is extendable, which gives it a longer reach, and the pivot connector allows the tools to be positioned at an angle for better cleaning of hard-to-reach areas. The Samsung Jet 90 can be used as a cordless stick or a portable handheld. It's easy to switch from stick to handheld. The release tab makes it simple to change to a different attachment tool. As a handheld, it's lightweight and portable, and the tools make it easy to clean many hard-to-reach areas. The Jet 90 has 3 power modes: minimum, medium, and max. In max mode, it has suction power of 200 air watts, which feels quite strong when using the vacuum. There is a considerable level of downforce applied by the Turbo Action Brush Roll. The Samsung Jet 90 is maneuverable and lightweight. It is a low-profile cleaning head that can pivot 90 degrees to reach around corners. It can lie nearly flat against the ground. If you like this video, please get subscribed. You'll get automatic updates from YouTube when we release new videos. It's a big help to our channel, and it's totally free. Maintenance on the Samsung Jet 90 involves charging the battery, emptying the dustbin, and washing the filter. The process for emptying the dustbin is more cumbersome and less intuitive than some other stick vacuums we've tested. Users need to release the larger dustbin assembly, unscrew the top lock, and then remove the bottom dust cup to empty. The filter is removable and washable. It can be rinsed with cold water and allowed to dry before returning to the vacuum. And, as mentioned, the battery can be charged in the vacuum while it rests on the stand, or it can be removed and charged on the base of the stand. If additional batteries are purchased, they can be charged simultaneously. It takes about 3.5 hours to fully charge each battery. So, should you buy the Samsung Jet 90? The price is fairly expensive, but the Samsung Jet 90 has quite a few features that make it extremely convenient. One highlight is the click-in battery and easy charging. As a cordless vacuum, charging the battery can be an added chore, but the Jet 90 makes it simple by building the charger into the storage stand. It's also extra convenient if you buy an extra battery, which can be charged on the stand at the same time. Another plus is the stand itself, which makes storage simple. The stand is well designed and isn't too bulky. It includes a clip for some of the tools and a spot for an extra battery. And finally, the Samsung Jet 90's 2 cleaning heads result in excellent cleaning performance. The Turbo Action brush roll did a great job on carpets, and the Soft Action brush roll handles all sizes of debris on hard floors with ease. In our tests, we used the 2 cleaning heads on different floor types, and it was able to remove 97.7% of the total debris by weight. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments, questions, please drop us those notes down below. Do you have a cordless stick vacuum at home that you love? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Check the link in the description if you're interested in buying the Samsung Jet 90. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.